What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another banger. And today we're there with MacDonald Dirty Money. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco there with another banger, you know, people. Yeah, see me there back in the music club and see what we're dealing with today. Yeah, I got a lot of requests to get this one done. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna react to it. This artist apparently a big artist on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Got a really huge fan base. You know what I'm saying? You really a current following. I'm gonna check it out and see what go on today. His name is MacDonald and I want to entitled Dirty Money. Apparently this is a really controversial track. I'm gonna see what's going on, what everybody talking about today. Alright, we'll jump right in that track. It's MacDonald Dirty Money. Let's get it.
They're angry that they'll never shut me up. I'm making more noise. Turn me up or turn me down, it's your choice. Black
Angry they can't shut me up. I'm making more noise. Turn me up or turn me down, that's your choice. Alright, come on.
lives only matter when they got a corpse to exploit. Cause the media made millions off the protests for George Floyd. That's called
What, Black life only matter when they got what to exploit?
ad revenue.
They make millions off a jive fly, don't it? Yeah, man, off a jive fly, they made bills. They have everyone placing black squares and all that, bro.
They make cash selling you all the crap in the ads while they broadcast news. Ooh, the network full of liars got investment capital and segment sponsored by Pfizer and the freedom.
Network full of liars got investment capital and segment sponsored by Pfizer.
Fighters, I feel like the left just planned some.
So damn, made sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, mad money. It makes sense to reach out niggas like Kramer and some pay them off to tell people to invest in their company. Makes sense.
To infiltrate the right, it's extensive planning. Then it happens overnight, it's impressive branding. Make $1 million off of shirts that say let's go Brandon. It's a cash grab, everyone's a lab rat. Amazon made billions of dollars from sanitizer and black masks and that.
Amazon made millions of dollars on hand sanitizers and black masks. That's facts though. That's facts, bro. You see me? Not only Amazon alone, but you see me? That's facts. If you're selling blow hand sanitizer and mask and anything to do, you made a good little change. You know what I'm saying? You see me? Ain't nobody can say they never sell at least a one sanitizer or one mask or one gloves during the pandemic.
That's that. Funny how the terrorists who attack always come from places that are oil rich and have gas. Democrats, they don't give a damn.
Funny how the terrorists always come from places where got that with oil rich and have gas. That's funny. That's
what is this about our military?
A lot of basic Americans don't think about that. You know what I'm saying?
Trapped in the Middle East, can't get them out. Heroes are the ones who had the Constitution written down. Y'all are using hero while describing Kyle Rittenhouse. 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cents, 4. We get less and they get more. By insult since we were born. They want money. We want dirty dollars. Fill their pockets while our coffins fill the ground. They make profit solving problems they create to keep us down. Dirty money.
Yo, this man speaking a lot of facts on this track, boy. They're not gonna like this one, yo. That's crazy.
Dirty money. I don't want your dirty money. They might kill me for this song. It's all classified intelligence. Don't need to go to war to
kill me for this song. It's called Classified Intelligence. Is it?
Secretly be getting benefits. When Russia launches rockets, we condemn them, but there's evidence a US politician owns the screws they're assembled with.
When Russia launched rockets, we condemn them, but we have proof say US won the screws where you make them with. Oh yeah, shit. Yeah, really shit, cause yeah man, our US supply a lot of the parts for a lot of these weapons that even the enemy has. Come on now. Either they're stupid or they got people doing deals behind the doors. That's all I'm saying. You grease a certain people pocket, they ain't get a certain thing. That's all I'm saying.
Ain't no war on drugs, it's economic. You make money off an inmate, every jail cell is profit.
There ain't no war on drugs. It's economics. Tell them again, it's economics, bro. You make money off of blow drug deals or people who sell drugs in jail. You make money off of them. You see me? And it economics, come on.
Since a privately owned illegal marijuana just mean kids smoking weed turn to dollars in their pockets, let's be honest. Domestic threats in comparison to nuclear powers who hate the West is embarrassing.
Yeah, man. The people, a lot of people ain't even gonna get this line. Man said domestic threats in comparison to people with people with nuclear power hit the West. Come on, them still gonna big about things like, you know what I'm saying, what people talking about right now. I talk about people making domestic threats. People want change. In time people want change and trying to protest, they call it like domestic terror. Ain't no domestic terrorists, bro. Ain't no such thing as domestic terrorism. They lied to you. They came up with that term, so if anybody trying to rebel or try to if you try to rebel or protest or go against, they can call you a terrorist. Y'all cause that on yourself. Ain't no such thing as them with the domestic terrorism. Cause the people is supposed to be able to fight back against the government. You see me? That is a right that you have. That's why they give you the right to bear arms. You know what I think what them shit say? They give you the right to bear arms, so in case the government trying to do the shit they doing now, trying to take away your rights, trying to change your money from blow people. First they change money from gold, which the Constitution directly said there shall be no other money than gold and silver. But then did that and change it to paper, and then they try and change it to digital, basically thin air. That is illegal, straight from the Constitution. And any judge that goes against the Constitution is going against the people and directly or indirectly committing treason. You get what I'm saying? If you fight against the Constitution, you fight against the United States, and you fight against the United States people. You know what I'm saying? And when we say United States, I'm talking about the land, not the corporation that most of you are refer to. But I'm getting too deep. This is just music. I'm tripping.
Still we label truckers in the convoy as terrorists and confiscate donations. We have no idea where it is. A pipeline leaks, price of gas goes higher. Stock market crash, everybody gets fired. Economy is weak while we trying to beat a virus. $1 trillion in debt to China.
$1 trillion in debt to China. That's crazy.
Celebrate the smallest battles we're winning.
I know China trying to get a thing change over to become the new world dollar. You see me, the one, because they don't trying to use that to trade oil and stuff. Hey.
So they can publish the headline that's gonna fuel the vision. But if we champion the crumbs, then it's crumbs that we're given. And we don't make any progress, we're stuck at the beginning. 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cents, 4. We get less and they get more. Buying sold since we were born. They want money. We want dirty dollars fill their pockets while our coffers.
That's what we need, bro. War. People don't really think about it.
Fill the ground. They make
don't really think about, what you really need for change. People think they say, yo, money and all. Most of the time to just real change in a society, you had to go to war. You know what I mean? You have to go to war. And that's what people forget. Because we've been so-called peaceful for these number of years. Well, when it hasn't really been peaceful, they've just been doing like legislative wars. You know what I'm saying? Putting sanctions on each other. That's how they've been warring for the past couple of years. We think war was done? Nah, bro. It's just you just see the physical aspects of it again with Ukraine and Russia. These things been warring. When you think they have meetings and they argue, what do you think they're doing? They are war verbally, bro. What you are thinking when they're passing these laws? Yeah, and they're putting sanctions on it, like when they think America come and put sanctions on Russia, y'all just it's just some sanctions, bro. That's war, bro. That's war, bro. Cause you're crippled certain things with that money, or certain things in the country are crippled. So that's war. That's no different from me take a missile and go shoot your bank or your hospital or whatever. If me say, yo, you can't use put sanctions on you and say you can't use money for buy medical supplies, or can't use money for transport certain shit. Same thing, I mean, take a missile and go blow up certain places so you can't do that. You see me? So just see the physical aspect of war. War need for change. But a lot of people too comfortable and coward. You know what I'm saying? Because people also think say, yo, the bullshit not gonna happen for them era, the next generation. But that even so it's still cowardly if you think about that. You see me? Because you're basically left it for your kids them and all these things. Bro. Yeah, if you want to change, you have to go to war and you can't fear if you're dead. That's true, that's sad truth. You see me? Yeah, man.
Solving problems they create to keep us down. Dirty money. Dirty money. I don't want your dirty money. Not enough soap to scrub, it's soaked in blood. It's all about the money. Every time we make a buck, they take from us. It's all about the money. The dollar runs our lives until we die. It's all about the money. It controls your mind and it controls.
It's all about the money.
It my mind. Dirty dollars fill their pockets while our coffins fill the ground. They make profit.
Dirty money fill their pockets while our coffin fill the ground. They make profits.
Solving problems they create to keep us down. Dirty mind.
They make profits. Solving problems they create to keep us down. That's crazy, bro. And that's so true, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, them fill them money, them pockets with money while the coffee fill the ground. You see, man, they make money off of problems. They make money solving problems with them create and giving at the first place. You see me? But that's crazy.
Dirty money. I don't want your dirty money.
That's crazy. Yeah, man, people. That's very controversial track. MacDonald. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you. You know, you're one of the few artists that's, you know, that's actually saying something. A lot of these guys making music, but they ain't saying nothing at all. They're just making a bug of night. But you're actually saying something, you know. It's not nothing new or something that, you know, if you're a thinking person, I don't, you know, haven't thought about before. But a lot of people haven't thought about this stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? I've never crossed their mind. So if you a lot of people in this never crossed their mind, and I first time not think about stuff like this, you know what I'm saying? Good job, that Tom, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, all of these things is very obvious if you sit down and just think about it and look in your life. You should have actually thought about some of these stuff before, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, really dope track. Yeah, man, MacDonald, Dirty Money. Really controversial one. Surprised this thing is still up. I don't know if they're gonna cancel it or take it down. We don't know what we're going. But yeah, man, Tom, you did your thing. Lyrics mad, visuals mad, lyrics mad. Man, and the whole video is just him just rapping, you know what I'm saying, dropping facts, and the whole video interesting, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man, I'm ready on that. MacDonald, Dirty Money. People, check it out. Show the artist some love and support. Make you know it's a Jambisco send you. You already know what time it is. Definitely let me know if you love this type of video and this type of music. And definitely let me know what you want me to react to next. Guys, you already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco is here and hit and smashing out. Banger! Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.